Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make an omelet on an egg boiler. Start by cracking 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk with 1 tablespoon water and a pinch of salt until blended. Pour the mix into the preheated egg boiler tray and close the lid, then set the timer. Let cook for about 6 minutes, or until set, then fold and serve warm. Warm up your egg boiler and prepare the tray before you begin to ensure even cooking and easy removal. Whisk eggs with water and seasonings, then pour gently into the designated omelet or flat tray. Close the lid and let the unit run its cycle, watching the timer if adjustable. After it finishes, open carefully, use a silicone spatula to lift the edges, and slide the omelet onto a plate. If you are finding this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel to support more easy kitchen hacks. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes or books while you wait, and it fits nicely on the counter during prep. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy a hands-free reading moment with your omelet. Now let's get back to the video. You can customize your egg boiler omelet with cheese, herbs, or pre-cooked vegetables for extra flavor and texture without extra effort. Mix small diced ingredients into the whisked eggs, but avoid large chunks that can prevent even cooking. For a fluffy result, include a tablespoon of water per 2 eggs and fold gently after cooking. Serve warm with pepper or a drizzle of hot sauce for brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.